Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, this is your English video class and we are doing grammar glee. And in that we have discussed about definition of conjunction. And as you all know, these are the words which can conjunct or add two sentences, two words together. So we have already learned about these words which are the conjunction. We can call and, because, so, but, etc. These are the words. And we have started the exercise number A, that is join the following sentences using the conjunction given in the table and rewrite them. And we have already done two number, yani first and second we have completed. Now today we are going to start from 3 number. He has taken to the doctor, he was ill. So children, we will do 3 number. So all of you take out your Wordsworth English Reader. Page number, please turn over the page number 88. And on page number 88 you will find grammar glee and we will complete our exercise. So children, third number, he was taken to the doctor. He was taken to the doctor. To the doctor. He was taken to the doctor. He was ill. Okay. So there are two sentences. Here children, you can see there are two sentences. He was taken to the doctor. He was ill. So now conjunction works to add two sentences together and create a meaningful sentence. So now children, we will write answer. So he was taken to the doctor because he was ill. Okay, he was taken to the doctor because he was ill. वो बीमार था इसलिए उसको डॉक्टर के पास ले जाया गया. Because is giving the reason why he was taken to the doctor. क्यों उसे डॉक्टर के पास ले जाया गया? क्योंकि वो बीमार था. So children, complete this. Okay. Now we will do our fourth number, that is Jeet is a dancer. Fourth number, Jeet is a dancer. Jeet is a dancer. Jeet is a dancer. He is a good singer. He is a good singer. Now children, the sentence, both sentences are talking about Jeet. So there is no need to write again and again the same thing. So here we are going to add two sentences together. So how can we create it? So we will use the conjunction and. Now we will write Jeet is a good dancer and singer. Okay, it means all the two things he can able to do. It means singing and dancing. So we can write Jeet is a good dancer and singer. Okay, so we can write Jeet is a good dancer and singer. So complete this children. Jeet is a good dancer and singer. Okay, so fourth number we have done. Now we will do fifth number. We called him twice, he did not answer. Now children, इसका मीनिंग है we called him twice. हमने उनको 2 बार पुकारा, but he did not answer. But उन्होंने उत्तर नहीं दिया, उन्होंने आंसर नहीं किया. So we will do fifth number over here. Fifth number, children. Fifth number we will do. We called him twice. We called him twice. We called him twice. He did not answer. He did not answer. We called him twice, but he did not answer. So we will write, we called him twice, but we are going to conjunct two sentences together. So we called him twice, but he did not answer. Okay, so here we have completed. We called him twice, but he did not answer. So children, complete it. Okay, so we called him twice, but he did not answer. Now we have done this A number exercise of Grammar Glee. Now we are going to do B number exercise that you can find on the same page number 88. Complete the following sentences by using the conjunction so or because. So और because का हम इस्तेमाल करके आपके उसको सेंटेंस को पूरा करेंगे. Okay, so children, let's start doing B number. B number we are going to do, children. B number is complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentences by using the conjunction. By using the conjunction. By using the conjunctions so or because. Okay, so or because. So these are the two conjunctions are there, so and because. So that we are going to do, children. Now children, first number we are going to write, because as you all know this is given for the reason. Okay, reason के लिए दिया जाता है, and so is also used for the reason. Okay, but here you can see there is a strong reason. Okay, and so it's a not very strong reason, but it is given for the reason. है ना, reason के लिए ही इसको भी दिया जाता है. So now how can we able to understand that there is a difference between these two, where we can use so and where we can use because. So children, let's know about that. So children, first of all we should know what are the difference between so and because. Before going to solve this exercise, we should know what is the difference between so and because. Now so, if we will write so is used to show the result of an action. It means so क्या दिखाता है कि result of an action. It means जो result हुआ है ना, एक्शन का जो रिजल्ट है उसको वो शो करने के लिए दिखाता है. यूज टू शो द रिजल्ट ऑफ एन एक्शन. ओके, सो as we have already seen that Anil has to perform in a concert, so he is rehearsing regularly. Okay, so his. It means he has to perform in the concert. So that is why he was rehearsing. So here you can see we have used so. So used to show the result of an action. Now because used to so is used to show the cause of an action. The cause of an action. यहाँ पे रिजल्ट के बारे में बातें हो रही है, यहाँ पर cause of an action. He was taken to the doctor because he was ill. Okay, he was taken to the doctor because he was ill. It means it's used to show the cause of an action. Why he was taken to the doctor? He was taken to the doctor because he was ill. Understood? So here is a difference between so and because. Where we have to use to show the result of an action, there we can use so. And here is used to show the cause of an action. कारण बताना है, तो इसलिए वहाँ पर because इस्तेमाल होता है. ठीक है? So there is a difference between so and because many times you get confused. That is why I have written on the board to clear your doubt. है ना, क्लियर करने के लिए कि जहाँ पर शो द रिजल्ट ऑफ ए एक्शन, जहाँ पे एक्शन का रिजल्ट हमें शो करना होता है वहाँ तो हम सो दिखाते हैं, जहाँ पे हमें कारण दिखाना होता है वहाँ पर हम बिकॉज का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जैसे आप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखते हैं उसमें आप बिकॉज का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सिमिलरली here we are going to do. So children, here we will start with the exercise, children. Now we will do, children, first number. First number is he is absent. He is absent. He is absent. He is absent. He has gone to Shimla. He has gone to Shimla. Okay. He is absent. He has gone to Shimla. Now children, here you can see he is absent. He is gone to Shimla. So here he is absent. The main cause is given over here. He is absent. वो absent है. Because he has gone to Shimla. Here we are going to use because. Because कारण क्या है? The कारण is he has gone to Shimla. वो शिमला चला गया है. Okay, so that is why he is absent. Okay, so the cause is given over here. That is why before this action the cause is given. Now second number. Second number is the turtle was slow. The turtle was slow. The turtle was slow. Now children, he was caught by the hunter. He was caught by the hunter. Okay children. Now the turtle was slow. Turtle क्या है? Slow है. He was caught by the hunter. Now here children, used to show the result of an action. Result क्या है उसका? The turtle was slow. Turtle क्या था? Slow था. He was caught by the hunter. So that is why we will use over here so. So he was caught by the hunter. Okay. So now it is used to show the result of an action. He was slow. Okay. He was slow. That is why he was caught by the hunter. Okay. So write it down children. It is quite confusing because both of these two words, do conjunction, are used to give the reasons. Okay. But there is a very slight difference between these two. So that we should understand first. Okay. So complete this children. Now we are going to do 3 number. 3 number is Mukesh scored low marks. Mukesh scored low marks in the test. Okay. Mukesh scored low marks in the test. Here we are going to show the reason. Karan. He is careless. ठीक है? क्यों उसके मार्क्स कम हुए? Why he scored very less in the exam? Because he is careless. वो careless है. So that is why here we are going to give a strong reason, because the action was already done. So why it was failure? Why he scored very low in all the subject? Because he is careless. क्यों है? क्योंकि वो careless है. ठीक है? Now 4th number, the team played well. Now the next line is they won the match. They won the match. Okay, the team played well. So now here the team played well. Team ने अच्छा खेला. So they won the match. Now here children you can see we have given the reason why. So children completed. So we have done. Now children we will do 5th number and 6th number. Fifth number we are going to do. This is the mangoes. The mangoes are sour. The mangoes are sour. The children cannot eat them. Now children here you can see the mangoes are sour. Mangoes क्या है? खट्टे हैं, है ना? The children cannot eat them. Children उसको खा नहीं सकते, बच्चे उसको खा नहीं सकते. क्यों नहीं खा सकते? Because the mangoes are sour. Sour means खट्टे हैं. So here the cause is given over here. We have to write the mangoes are sour. Okay? The children cannot eat them. So we will write over here. So the mangoes are sour. The children cannot eat them. Okay? So. Okay? Now 6th number, the teacher scolded the girl. The teacher scolded the girl dash. She was talking in the class. So what we will use over here? The teacher scolded the girl. The action was already done. Why it is done? The reason we have to give. So that is why what we will use so or because. So we will use over here because the strong reason is there. The teacher scolded the girl because she was talking in the class. वो बातें कर रही थी क्लास में, इसलिए हमें यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा because. Okay, so we will write because. So children, complete this. Okay, so write it down. We have completed this. Now we will do some words spellomania we are going to do. I am going to spell the words, so you just remind it or learn it. So here spellomania, that is tux, Tucks, tux. Remarkable, Remarkable, remarkable. Achievements, अचीवमेंट्स में हमेशा गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं आई ई और ई में, तो इसको हमेशा याद रखिए ACHIEVEMENTS, achievements. Now sorrow, SORROW, sorrow. Now rigorous, rigorous means RIGOROUS, rigorous. Hazardous, HAZARDOUS, hazardous. Now the next one is collection, COLLECTION, collections. Stories, STORIES, stories. Forest, FOREST, forest. Window, WINDWO, window. Giant, GIANT, giant. Now the last word is happiness, HAPPINESS, happiness. So children, these are the listen and tell. So we have to learn these type of the words, because these words can be used many times or in many sentences. So these are very common. And now here the next work is be creative, that make a poster on a topic clean environment and green environment. This is your project to complete, that is clean environment and green environment. You have to make some type of poster to give this slogan. Okay, now the next is look at the following picture carefully, discuss what the children are doing and why. Now here children, you can see the children are cleaning, so we can write it correctly. So children, we will do make sentences in our next video. So children, we will meet again, complete this exercise. We have completed all the exercise, grammar, glee, etc. And we will do make sentences in our next video. So children, we will meet again. Till then, bye-bye and take care of yourself.